What up, everyone? It's your boy, the Crackhead. I'm, of course, wishing you all a wonderful Wednesday. I just saw in the news that Cubana chief priest has been granted a bail of 10 million naira because he pleaded not guilty to the charges of naira abuse and mutilation. One thing I'm noticing with Nigerian lawyers is that either they do not actually know the law they are practicing or they do not know how to defend their clients. Naira mutilation, abuse of the naira, once you are convicted, you either spend 6 months in jail or you pay a fine of 50,000 naira. In the case of Bobrisky, pleaded guilty, hence the judgment. But Cubana chief priest, with all the evidences and all the videos online, pleaded not guilty. And the amounts of money Cubana chief priest has prayed in social gathering and event is more, thousands and million times more than what Bobrisky could have ever sprayed. But the EFCC lawyer did not see that as a way to convict Cubana chief priest. I don't understand. Lawyers, what are you guys studying? How are you guys defending your client? Because this is an open case. It's an open and a closed case. And I'm going to explain to you why I'm saying that. First of all, there are videos. There are evidences of Cubana chief priest spraying money. Yes, he decided to plead not guilty, which is okay. It's okay for him to plead not guilty, even if he was caught red handed. But what I want to understand is this, because for now, pleading not guilty and giving an option to pay for bail doesn't mean that the case is closed. It's not closed. But my question is, when is the adjournment of this case? When are they going to retry this case again? And the next time they're going to retry it and Cubana chief priest still pleads not guilty, does it mean that he's still going to be given the option to bail himself with 10 million naira? And if he does that, the next time he's going to come, 10 million naira. Is that how this case is going to be going when there are evidences everywhere? And to the lawyers of the Economic Financial Crimes Commission, do you guys even know your job? Somebody you are prosecuting with all the evidence says he is not guilty, and you do not know how to fight to prosecute this person. And I'm going to tell you something, maybe you do not know the law. To all of you who are saying that there is no evidence, there's just video of him spraying money, that money could have been fake. You are right in what you're thinking, but I also want you to understand that in the Naira law, counterfeit money is a crime. Being in possession of fake and counterfeit money or printing fake and counterfeit money is a crime, and that lands you 5 years in prison. So let's say Cubana chief priest wasn't spraying real money, it was counterfeit. You see, it's still a crime. Either way, it is still a crime because those were not papers. There are numbers, there are colors of the naira. So let's assume the money he sprays in social gatherings are all fake. That still lands him 5 years in prison, 5 years in jail because there are counterfeit money and the law is the law. So I'm telling you guys right now, if you are a culprit and you are being arraigned for spraying the naira, I would advise you, because if a smart lawyer comes up, you will face a worse punishment. So I would advise you, instead of pleading not guilty, accept this 6 months jail term. Because if you plead not guilty, it means you are pleading that what you spray on any social gathering was counterfeit. And if that was counterfeit, if a smart lawyer comes up to prosecute you, my brother, instead of 6 months, if you did not agree or if you did not plead to being guilty, you will have to spend 5 years in jail for spraying counterfeit money, because it is illegal. It is a crime in Nigeria to print or to be in possession of counterfeit money. So either ways, Cubana chief priest is guilty. And the lawyers of EFCC, I do not understand what kind of laws you guys practice. I never studied law. How come I know so much about the law? That's what I've noticed. Because when I hear a particular case in Nigeria and the lawyers, what they do, in fact, I'm like, what is going on? These guys, these lawyers, don't they actually know how to defend their clients? Why did they study law? So either ways, Cubana chief priest, if you like, next time you plead not guilty, but understand that if a good lawyer comes up, a lawyer that really knows the law comes up, if you're not guilty in spraying Naira, you are guilty in spraying counterfeit money, which is a crime. I hate injustice. So next time you guys are going to be arraigned Cubana chief priest, well, I'm going to see how it's going to play out. It's your boy, the Crackhead, wishing you all a wonderful day. Bye for now.